Thank you, Iran. Thank you, people of Iran. Thank you, culture of Iran. And above all, thank you, the land of Iran, the land of spirituality that has gone down the generations. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Maya. I'm an actor and an anchor from Pakistan. Well, it's been few days that we have been in Iran, and we were in Mashhad. We went to obviously Shiraz. We went to other cities, outskirts, to see historic places, and I was surprised to see not only men but women were coming forward. They have become more vocal. They have been getting good education. Apart from being a friendly nation, apart from being so much spirituality, I see people have opened up to the growth, to the evolvement, and that is very important. See, because me being from Pakistan and traveling all across the globe, I just came from America. I see people. There's so many Iranian families that I've met, and they have grown. I just want every and each one of us to grow and keep up evolving as good people, as kind people, as empathetic people. When we are kind and we are empathetic, everything just happens and for our greater good. So what I'm here just sharing my experiences, that going to the shrine of Imam Riza and other spiritual all places, people are friendly, people are open to talk to you, they welcome you with open hearts. You see the air and you see the vibe, they never lie. When you meet the people, they are friendly. They talk to you. They want to know, where are you from? They will stop you on the streets and they will ask you, where are you from? And when we say Pakistan, they just open up their arms. They just give their flowers. Just give whatever they are. Even a person who is just selling a small thing on the streets of the bazaar that we went to, which is Vakil Bazaar. It was an amazing, incredible, and unforgettable experience. Thank you, Iran. Thank you, people of Iran. Thank you, culture of Iran. And above all, thank you, the land of Iran, the land of spirituality that has gone down the generations. And I wish everybody all the best, and all the people who have never been to Iran, come and visit and meet the people and have experience, a lifetime experience.